everyone, Serena B here, and I'm back. I am back in Montreal. I am back from my amazing trip. If you follow me on Instagram, you know all about it. Well, not all about it. I still have so much more to share. It was just such an amazing trip, but I'm back. I got back yesterday. I still have my main luggage to unpack. Yes, I had to buy a carry-on because I bought too many things and I needed an extra luggage, so I bought a carry-on to fit all the goodies that I bought, and I can't wait to share with you everything. I'm gonna probably break it up into like 4 different haul videos, so stay tuned for that. And I do have a vlog that I'm gonna edit and work on and hopefully have out soon. This video, I wanted to share some Happy Mail I received while I was away. I already did open it. Like I said, I got back last night and I saw everything, but I'm so excited I had to share what my amazing pen pal sent me. So let's get started. First off, I did a little swap for an ATC with my friend Stephanie. She had created this adorable piglet, where you go, ATC coin thing, artist trading coin, sorry about the blurriness. And it was adorable, and I asked her if she wanted to swap with me. She recreated it for me, so it's a little bit different, but it's still really cute, and I'm gonna frame it and put it on my wall because it's so freaking cute. I love it. And she also sent me this one, which is so fun. She's using a Vera Lane Studios Digi, which I love, and then she used my papers in the background, so that's really awesome. Sorry about the blurriness. I'm still working with my new camera. I'm still getting used to it. This is from my friend Pippa in the UK. So excited. Look how gorgeous. She has a little message separate. So I already read it. Thank you so much for your kind words. It was so awesome. I absolutely love this card. Let me put this aside for a bit. Check out this card. Isn't this amazing? Everything is handmade, hand-drawn, put together by her. I think that is so freaking amazing. She said she used to sell these on Etsy, but now she doesn't sell them anymore, so I am lucky enough to have one of the last cards she's ever made like this, and I'm so excited. This is obviously the intro to Halloween Town. If you watch Nightmare Before Christmas, you know, all the little trees, because look at this. It's Jack. It's so freaking cute. I'm gonna cherish this forever. I absolutely love this card so much. It's all, like I said, drawn by her, cut by her, everything. And it's done so perfect. Even the back is decorated, and she has her own like little personal branded stamp over here. Her shop is called Spooky Yeti Studio. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll link her down below. I know she's on Instagram, so I'll have all that stuff linked down below if you guys want to check her out. She's super awesome. And it's so pretty. Look how beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much, Pippa, for sending me a card. You are so sweet, and thank you for thinking of me during the Halloween season. Love it. Thanks, girl. So next is some Happy Mail from my friend Laura, all the way in Amsterdam. If you guys have been following me, you know I went to Amsterdam last year, and I absolutely left a part of my heart there, so I would love to go back, and if I do, maybe we can meet up. Just saying. So this is the first time she sent me something, but we follow each other for a while now. She's always so sweet and loves my designs, and she's really supportive of PAPERCAKES, which is my shop. If you guys don't know, I do have my own shop online where I design digital collections, and this is one of my patterns for my spooky pastel paper collection that I released last year. I can use this to store things in. I'm definitely going to use this to store this box to store my spooky pastel papers and all that like stuff that I cut out and stuff. So excited to reuse this box. I'm pretty sure she printed this on sticker paper, which that just blows my mind, and you'll see what else blows my mind inside. So I'm really excited. Like I said, I did open it up last night because I couldn't wait, and I was feeling a little low from being back home, not gonna lie. It's rainy, it's gloomy, it's cold here in Montreal, and I came back from California, which is sunny and warm. It's a big change, so I'm just getting used to it. So I needed something to lighten up the spirits a little bit last night, and yeah, I opened it. So again, the sticker paper thing, this is another one of my patterns, and I love how she decorated the lid. It's so cute. She wrote an adorable little note here. I think it's so sweet. It says, "Thanks for being an all-around awesome mortal." I love that she said that. It's so cute. So I love that. It's so adorable. Okay, so it came wrapped like that with a little sticker that says "Today's the day," which I'm totally going to reuse. So I'm going to start off with this. This is not the order I went in, but this is just what's on top first. I just love lightning and thunder, and I just love the like little drawn lightning bolt image. It's one of my favorite icons. So when I saw this paper, I got so excited because it's lightning bolt and it's holographic and it's like a purplish pink. So right up my alley. Love it. And then she sent me this mixed media paper pad thing. which is so cool.
Like just simple patterns, like colors, and then it gets into these really pretty glittery papers. Look at this white one. Oh, I hope it comes out okay on camera. This foil, this matte foil, which is so gorgeous. I'm gonna hoard this because I've never seen that before. This holographic one, which I think she used in the front for the little envelope, which is so, so sweet. And then this one's my favorite. It's white, hollow, sparkly, so, so pretty. So
thank you so much, Laura. And guys, oh my gosh, like she printed my patterns on vellum and other things, and I'm just like over the moon. To see my stuff real life used by other people is just so surreal. I still can't get over it. It's been 2 years and I'm still like, wow, this is so cool. This is so amazing. It's such an awesome feeling. And she created a little vellum pocket and she sewed the sides, and I think this is so, so pretty. I am totally gonna reuse this. Oh my gosh, look at all the hollow. It's so amazing. I can't get over it. I love this so much. And guys, she went to the store. I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it Hema, Hema, Emma? I don't know. But it's one of my favorite stores when I was in Amsterdam and like in Europe and everything. Oh my gosh, I spent so much time in the store. I love it. And look at these pretty stickers. They're so awesome. So she got me 2 of these. Again, from the same store. Love it. Look at these puffy heart holographic stickers. So, so happy. I love them so much. And then this is so fun. There's 3 sheets. I'm gonna open up for you. Like, look how amazing. Holographic hearts. These little squiggly lines are so perfect. These touch my heart so much. They remind me of Saved by the Bell. They remind me of the 80s, and they remind me of my Summer Babe collection, because that collection is inspired by everything I just mentioned. So, yeah, it goes so perfectly with my Summer Babe collection. I just can't get over it. It's awesome. If you guys want to see my shop, I'll link it down below, as well as in the card. So excited. These little circles are so freaking cute. And, like, I can use this for my October daily, honestly, because it's pastel. It goes with everything. This is so freaking awesome. She printed my black hearts paper on, I guess, like acetate or something. I don't know, but it printed out so freaking perfectly. I am going to use this up so hard. So I'm going to reuse these crinkly bits. They're so freaking cute. They're holographic and they're so fun. So I absolutely love this. She sewed, again, the pocket together. I am going to use this probably in my October daily. If not, then in some other album, because I love it so much and it's just so amazing. So in here, more amazing goodies. I can't believe she sent me some awesome Dutch dies, or they're called Dutch crafts, and they're dies, and I'm so grateful for these. They're so freaking cute. I don't have anything like them. This tree though, oh my gosh, the size is perfect. Absolutely love this tree so freaking much. I can't wait to use it. The little crooked little haunted house is so unique and quirky, and I love it. These really cool candelabra things, so cool. You could totally make these spooky. And these bats, look how cute these bats are. I'm so in love. Thank you so much, Laura, for thinking of me when you saw these things and picking them up for me. It just means the world to me. And then these adorable agenda stickers, which, come on, let's be real, I use them all the time. And there's like a couple of stickers, like stars and lightning bolts. Again, these lightning bolts, guys. I'm so excited. Stars, this one says, hey girl. Bye, boy. It's funny. Bye, boy. Bye. And then these like little circly, sorry if it's not coming out okay, little circles and like dashes, lines, and important yes today. Stickers that say stuff like that, and like appointment and whatever. But totally can use this in my project life. And this really fun stamp set. It's like camera themed, and I really like this little Polaroid. These little mini cameras are so cute. I love the Save the Memory stamp set. So freaking adorable. This you can, like, you know, do some journaling inside if you stamp it out and do some journaling. I don't know, I think this is really freaking cute. And then in this, another awesome freaking idea. She used my Love Bites lips paper and she printed on vellum again. But this time she made a little pocket. So in here she had these little frames, these photo frames. There's black and silver glitter. These are so cute. Purple hearts, pink hearts, little pearls. I can't wait to use these. They're so fun. I love this purple shade. It's kind of like a matte plummy purple. Love it. And then look at these bling stickers. So can you guys see that? The dimension of these bling stickers. I hope it's coming out okay. They're so freaking cool. Okay, moving on. This I didn't really open, but this is so freaking cute. I know it's washi tapes. It says hustle hard, my little ghost sticker. And then she has that iridescent filler that I love. And ooh, look at this pretty. So it's kind of like the same style as those stickers from that store I love. And I think it's the same collection because the dots are here again. So cute. I love these dots. So cute. And then the last one I think has all the little squiggly bits. This is focusing all that well. So yeah, anyway, it's really cute. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Laura. And then she sent me these stickers and I already went through it. I'm gonna go through it really quick with you guys too.
So these are so right up my alley. Oh my gosh. And again, they remind me of my Summer Babe collection. They're gonna go so well with it. This is so up my alley. Like, come on, this, if you guys know my collection, I have a pattern paper that does like the whole fading from one color to another. I forgot what it's called right now. And it has these colors in it. So it's ridiculously how amazing and alike this is. Sorry if it's not coming out really well on camera right now. I'm so sorry. But the colors are really pretty. And they're just so freaking awesome. I love these so much. And I actually have some patterns that have little sprinkles like this. So it's so freaking cute. So me. So fun. And I can't wait to put these in my projects and my October dailies or my... This is so cute for like travel. My travel album, eventually whenever I get to it. And this is Best Day Ever, and I think it's so sweet. This is so me. This is me. Like, it's ridiculous. These stickers are my favorite. I love them. So thank you so much, Laura.
She sent me this cute little envelope. I'm pretty sure she made this, and I think what she did was put washi tape on the ends, and that is just genius. That is so awesome. And then in here there's like these Flourish stickers, and this is a silver pack, and then this is a black pack, and they're so fun. In this little pocket, again using my Spooky Pastel paper collection, we have a vellum paper stack thing, quotes. It's so freaking cool. There's so many amazing quotes in here. I went through it all last night. I read them all, and I can use this for pretty much every project. My October daily, my project life, my Disney album, whenever I get to it. Like, there's so many amazing quotes that I can cut up and use, and I'm really excited. And I love the handwriting look. So fun. So thank you so much. And then lastly, she sent me, again using my Spooky Pastel papers, perfect for my October daily, to be honest. I can decorate the front. I'm kind of getting a deja vu. Interesting. I can decorate the front and then punch holes and then add extra photos or extra journaling, some ephemera bits that I kept, you know, packaging and all that stuff I kept for my trip. So excited. Thank you. And then this is a vellum paper. This is a vellum paper pad. It's so cool. I've never seen anything like this before. So we have
two-tone vellum with some foiling on the ends. And look how pretty this one is. And then this is like a blue with stars. And then this one's really fun. I can use this for Christmas too. It's really pretty. I hope you can see this okay. And then this one is so adorable. Like, if you could just fold it over and make it a card front or like a flippy bit, my project life, anything really. I love this one too. And this one's really fun, very summery, very floral. This one's really cool, again, very summery. This will go in my Summer Babe collection or other little bits I have in my stash. This one's one of my favorites. It's a floral with a foiling floral here too that is silver. I hope that's coming out okay. This is so pretty. This reminds me of like the ocean and water, and I just love how it's watercolored. It's so nice. This is another one of my favorites. This gorgeous floral with silver. This is so pretty. And this one's really cool, again, for Christmas or summer. So fun.
So that is the Happy Mail I received from Laura and from Pippa and from Stephanie. I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for sending me some Happy Mail while I was away. This was so much fun to come home to and open, and it just warmed my heart. So thank you so much. And Laura, again, thank you so much for thinking of me and picking up all these goodies for me. You really didn't have to, but it means a lot to me to have some goodies from Amsterdam. Because I missed it there, and I missed the store, and I'm so glad I'm able to, you know, have some of their awesome holo goodies. So thank you so much. Alright guys, I will be back. I don't know when I'm gonna post my stuff. Like I said, I have probably 4 haul videos from my trip vlog, and then I'm gonna continue with projects and stuff. So I have a lot of fun Halloween things coming your way. If you're not subscribed already, I hope you can subscribe and click the notification button so that you are aware when I have all my new videos. So anyway, thanks guys for watching. I am back, and I can't wait to make more videos for you guys and produce more content. If you haven't seen my last video, please check it out. It's a 7 Deadly Sins of Crafting tag that I created with my friends Danny and Serena. It was Danny's idea. It was so much fun to do and dress up. So I tag all of yous watching this one too. If you guys want to do the 7 Deadly Sins of Crafting tag, hope you do it. You don't have to dress up if you don't want to. You don't have to do a face-to-face if you don't want to. But if you do, that would be awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!